Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Teams error code 800701664 on your Windows 11 and 10 system. And to fix Microsoft Teams error code, the first workaround is run Microsoft Teams as administrator mode. Simply go to Windows search, type Teams and choose run as administrator. If you have already a desktop shortcut of your team, then right click on it and choose run as administrator. And check whether your Microsoft Teams error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type store troubleshoot. Find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on open. Here, troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically and click on next. Troubleshoot will now detecting problems and it will fix accordingly. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. After that, restart your system and check whether your Microsoft Teams error resolved or not. Fixes, go to Windows settings, right click on start button and choose settings. In settings page, from the left side, choose system. Thereafter go to right side and here look for the option troubleshoot. Click on it. Choose other troubleshooters and here run network and internet troubleshoot. There may be a possibility of network issue, so you must check your network stability and check whether your Microsoft Teams error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type credential manager, CREDENTIAL, credential manager and click on open. Click on open. Windows credential manager page will now open. Here go to here you will find two options, web credentials and Windows credentials. Click on Windows credentials and here under list of credentials look for any Microsoft Team related credential if available. If you find, then simply remove it. Look for team related any credential. If you find it, simply click on it and choose remove. In my case, no any team credential found, so it will not available here. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to settings again, right click on a start button and choose settings. From the left side, go to apps, click on apps. Here choose installed apps. Here look for Teams app, type team in search field. Microsoft Teams app will appear. Click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft Teams and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and go to the reset section, and if this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. Choose repair first, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Choose reset. If repairs does not work, then choose reset, and if repair and reset both does not work, then uninstall Microsoft Teams app from your system and go to your Microsoft Store page, go to settings, go to start button and open Microsoft Store, and here look for Microsoft Teams and install a fresh version of Microsoft Teams in your system.